Long ago, in a small village surrounded by green hills, there lived a young shepherd boy whose job was to watch over the village's sheep. Each morning, he led the flock up a grassy hillside and stayed there all day while the sheep grazed. At first, he tried to take his responsibility seriously, but as the days passed, he began to feel lonely and bored. There was no one to talk to, and nothing exciting ever seemed to happen. One afternoon, looking down at the village below, the boy had an idea. Just for fun, he shouted as loudly as he could, "Wolf! Wolf! A wolf is attacking the sheep!" Hearing his cries, the villagers grabbed sticks and tools and ran up the hill to chase the wolf away. But when they arrived, out of breath and worried, they found no wolf at all. Instead, they found the boy laughing. Realizing he had fooled them, the villagers were disappointed and left the boy with a warning. A few days later, the boy did the same thing again. He cried out in panic. Once more, the villagers rushed to help him, and once again, there was no wolf. This time, the villagers were truly upset. They warned him not to lie again, because one day he might really need their help. He had tricked them once again. Some villagers were angry. Others shook their heads, but they all returned home. Soon after, as the boy watched the sheep, he saw something move in the tall grass. A real wolf stepped out, and its eyes fixed on the flock. Terrified, the boy screamed, "Wolf! Please help! It's real this time!" But in the village below, the people heard his cries and shook their heads. They believed he was playing another trick, and so no one came to help. Alone and frightened, the boy could do nothing as the wolf attacked the sheep, and by the time the villagers realized the truth, it was far too late.